Okay, comparing credit cards, fees, interest rates, and rewards. Let's look at an example. Fleur is considering replacing her current no-fee 19% interest rate credit card with a premium credit card offered by her preferred airline. The premium card has a 20% interest rate and an annual fee of $120, but provides 5% discount on airline tickets. Fleur does not tend to carry a balance, and she spends $5,000 per year on air travel. Which card is more suitable for Fleur? Okay, so let's look at the solution. So she spends $5,000 on air travel, and she gets 5% back with this airline, with with this credit card. So 5,000 times 5% is $250. So she gets a $250 discount on airfare each year. And compared to the $120 annual fee, she's still benefiting $130 because 250 minus 120 equals 130. So this one is pretty cut and dry. Fleur should get the premium card even with the higher interest rate and annual fee. Her net benefit is $130 per year. Remember, she doesn't carry a balance, so the interest rates don't really matter in here, because if she doesn't have a balance, she's not accruing interest. So that's the important thing to note here. All right.